Hey guys, Matt Bentley here. This is for beginner guitar players. This is 6 easy chords for helping you switch between your chords. It's also page 7 of my book. We start with A7, and then we're just going to drop 1 and 2 down and plug the third finger in and go to a D. Next one is A minor and C. With A minor, all you got to do is move one finger to get to your C. If we go back to our A minor, we move all these up. There's an E chord, so there's another easy switch. And then you can go from E to E minor. Pick it up one finger. You can also go G to E minor. And then you want to do down, down, up, down, up strum pattern. Thanks a lot guys for watching.